everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I like to share my fitness journey with you guys and also emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is the same or even linear. So for more of that, be sure to subscribe. I unexpectedly hopped on the Vlogmas train. Honestly, I wasn't expecting to do that this year, but I had a spurt of inspiration to create some videos, so I don't have a definite schedule, but you can expect anywhere from 1 to 3 videos from me until the end of the year.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Good morning, gang, and happy Vlogmas. Merry Fitmas, Cece. This is my fitness channel where I just share my fitness journey with you guys. It is Vlogmas. I think it's day 5 or 6 at this point. Yes, it is 4 a.m. This is the time that I have to wake up for work because I work at 5 a.m. So I've been up for maybe about 10 minutes or so. Guys, I'm so tired. Key to waking up early is going to bed early. So I was in bed at like 7:45 last night. I went to bed around 8:30, but I'm still just tired. I thought I would share with you guys like what I eat on a morning in a day like this because I thought it would be interesting. Waking up at the crack of butt. Go me. I also broke my Apple Watch yesterday. Real tears, you guys. I feel so naked without it. I keep trying to check the time and check the weather on my watch, but it's broken. So here's my cute little fit though, and I'm going to get moving on my stuff because I don't have a lot of time. I don't normally rush around in the morning, but my time is still limited. I want to make sure I'm getting everything done I need to get done before I go to work. I normally have this immunity, like vitamin C, like a packet of that. I like this stuff because it's good for your immunity and it also gives you a little boost of energy. That's the real reason I like it. I don't always like to start my mornings out with coffee. I do like to start with coffee sometimes. It just normally isn't something I would recommend, is because it helps me to like stay fuller longer, and I have a long shift today and I like to take my breaks later in my shift, so just to hold me over, to give me something in my stomach and to give me some energy, I do prefer coffee. So today I'm going to start with some water, get down a couple of ounces, and then I'm going to show you guys me making my coffee, which is the same coffee I always have. Okay, so this is the lineup for today. So this is my lunch. I have some tomato soup and a salad, and then I also have some, and this is the Tuscan House Italian, which I've been loving. I'm gonna have coffee like I said this morning. The only difference in this coffee is I'm putting it in a thermos. So this is the same coffee I always make with my favorite creamer. I just put it in this thermos. It's 4:43. If I don't take this first thing in the morning, then I'll take it mid-shift, so I'll do that. Then I keep some vitamins as well in my lunchbox, so I remember to take them. So I've got some B12 and some glucosamine in here that I'll take, and I'm also munching on this sandwich, this breakfast sandwich, you guys. This is something new that I'm trying. This is the first time I've actually eaten like a full breakfast before I go. So this is bacon, egg, and cheese, so I'm going to munch on that. I figured that I'd give it a try having some actual food too beforehand to see if it helps me with energy and putting something in my stomach, if that helps me to wake up a little bit more, because I'm tired today. It's good. I'll check with you guys later. It's gonna be 6, 7, 8 hours later. Right. This is a packed lunch fail. Oh my gosh, my soup, there's no divider here, so my soup got on my salad, but we're gonna make do. It's literally a disaster. You can see it, but that's all right. We're just gonna see how it is. This is literally a disaster. Let's see if it's like terrible or not. This tomato soup salad. Add a little dressing. The thing is, like, it's the effort that counts. Like, life is happening all around you all the time, and it's like about how you deal with things and work through things. So yeah, this sucks, but honestly, this ain't the worst salad I've ever had. It's honestly just like having 2 dressings. Also bought one of these. I've never done this before. I'm gonna put this in here. Make sure you drink your soda down before you add it in for future reference. I literally completely forgot, but I bought an avocado for my salad, but I forgot to eat it. So I think I'm just gonna cut it up and have it with some salt and pepper and then enjoy my soup. It's a little chilly today, so it's actually kind of nice to have the soup. You can see I put my jacket on. It's still good. I also have a banana. I'm likely gonna eat all of this because I didn't completely finish my salad. And plus, like, honestly, like, soup and salad is a very light meal. and I still have quite a bit of time left in my shift, so I want to eat as much as I can to just give me some fuel to get through the rest of my shift. Fresh out of work, gym fit on, you know what that means. I'm going to the gym, but I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna have some wonton. I did not pack enough food for my shift today. I definitely think adding some protein or something additional to my meal would have made it a bit more calorically dense. Y'all, I honestly had such a long day at work. It was a good day, but a long one. I worked 10 hours today, and for me to even have the energy to go to the gym after that is a blessing that I definitely took advantage of. Now I gotta show y'all the fit. I think I've showed you this probably 1,000 times. One of my favorite interactive colors in the whole wide world. It is just stunning. I hope it comes across on camera, but it's this light lavender purple color. Ooh, look at my, oh, how ashy I am. Oh my gosh. Never mind my ashiness, I'll put a little lotion on. These days, I'm just playing it by ear and listening to my body to see if working out is a good idea. Sometimes after a long shift like that, I don't feel like working out, and that's okay. Yep, prepare my stuff for the gym, and I'll catch you guys for dinner. I'm not sure what we're having today. I know, right? Appalling. Normally we have everything planned out, but I don't know what we're having today, so. I made the choice to do quads and calves at the gym today after a long shift. I was surprised to feel super strong, and I was planning to go light, but pushed even more weight than I have in a while. I didn't film though because it was a bit busier this time of the day. As most of y'all know, I've been having the same smoothie for a while. It's been like my favorite, and I'm going to make that, except I'm going to make it on a smaller scale, and then I'm also going to mix up the fruit. It's 4:45 right now, so I don't want to have too much because I want to save that appetite more for dinner. So I'm going to make that, and I'll show you guys, of course, the fruit mix I'm going to be using. So this has strawberries, peaches, pineapple, and mango. The gym definitely took what little I had left out of me. Oh my gosh, I felt so tired that evening. After I showered and made my smoothie, I was definitely ready for bed. We ended up getting Chick-fil-A for dinner, which was super good. I got a 12-piece nugget, medium fries, and a sweet tea. Eating out is normal, y'all. Like, we don't do it as often as we used to, which is good, but it happens occasionally. The water makes it taste watered down. Definitely prefer it with sweat on, but I'm eating in my bed tonight, which isn't something I normally do, but I'm just like so tired and out of it, and just, I don't know, this is where I want to be, so they gave us extra. And I'll be honest, I still live a very 80-20 lifestyle, so that means I don't always eat the healthiest thing on the menu. Balance is very important to me, and I believe that eating should be enjoyable too. And just that you can choose a food from time to time simply because it tastes good, not necessarily because it's good for you. So today's takeaway is, you know, everything is about moderation, having a good relationship with food, being nice to yourself, and honoring your cravings. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.